Case name Navjyoti Bhattacharya, age is 36 years. Today date is 22nd of August 2024 and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. And the ENT finding is a mild prominence of false vocal cord during phonation. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
So my name is Navjyoti Bhattacharya. I have come from Guwahati, Assam. I have been experiencing this high pitch since around 20 years.
Voice sample after 8 days of voice therapy, and today date is 29th of August 2024. So why you came here and how do you feel after the voice therapy? I want voice sample after treatment.
I am Navjyoti Bhattacharya. I came from Guwahati, Assam to get speech therapy done, and today is the 8th day of the treatment. And
what changes you are observing?
The main change that I have observed since yesterday and today also is that the loudness has increased in my voice. There is a depth, more depth than before. And earlier my voice used to crack when speaking, like it was not in a same line. It was like oscillating. Now that is gone. That has also been told by my friends and family when I asked.
So what was the ENT finding? ENT finding, laryngoscopy finding.
Okay, I had the problem of false vocal cord moving along with the true vocal cord. So it was kind of obstructing the actual voice.
So it's quite challenging, like false vocal cord phonation issues. And so can we use your video for awareness purpose on social media pages?
Definitely.
And have you observed any change in the singing also after the treatment?
Yes, I used to sing earlier before the problem was there during my childhood, but when the problem started to arise, I couldn't sing because there are like 3 octaves. So the first octave was not there in my voice. The bass was not there completely. So I started singing from the middle, then I go to the higher, then the next third is not there for me. It does not exist actually. So I could not sing the higher notes. Now today morning I tried a few lines. So I could sing and the voice was not even cracking. Earlier when I used to sing
Can you give the demo of, if you don't mind?
Yes, sure. Okay. Okay, there is a bhajan only, I'll sing. Shri Ramchandra Kripalu Bhaja Manaharan Bhava Bhayo Darunam Nava Kanja Lochana Kanja Mukha Kara Kanja Pada Kanjarunam. This is one, like in bass, I can take it higher also, but earlier I could not take it higher. Like,
so this is the difference you got in this
like there is one line, like only one line. Kandar pa aganita amita chavinava nila niraja sundaram. Now when I'm taking the high note, earlier I used to I used to suppress it in that way because I did not have that scale. So now I don't need to suppress the loudness is there. So I'm quite
by yourself you are observing without the recording comparing how your singing has improved.
Because I was learning classical, 1 year left because I could not complete the final Visharat part 2 year because of this voice issue.
I think you will continue now.
Yes, now definitely after going from here I'm going to contact my music teacher and I'm going to complete.
Okay, thank you so much for your faith, and your problem was quite challenging and you just followed our instruction and you are feeling better. In fact, in singing also you are feeling better. We are very happy for you.
I believe that this is actually more psychological also one part, that if I trust myself, I can cure myself. Nothing is like, this is basically our own body has to respond to the treatment.
Correctly. Those patients, I tell also in the live also, if before coming to our center, they are thinking it is going to waste of time and energy. So I say that it's true. And those who are coming with the hope, then also I say the true. And you are the most challenging in this group.
Thank you.
So still you are feeling some good change.
I still believe that there is a lot more improvement inside me which will come in the coming
Sure. And still we will be guiding. Thoda sa picture abhi baki hai aapka.
Ji, sir.
So thank you so much for your faith, and can we use your video for our social media pages?
Definitely,
thank you so much. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation. In fact, if any singer is facing such problem, they can also get hope and motivation. Thank you. Thanks for watching.